You just found the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. The Silverado 2500 HD has the brains and brawn to deliver smart, dependable work performance in today's highly connected, ever-demanding environment. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, heated mirrors, 8-cylinder engine, 4-cylinder engine, keyless start. Relax and enjoy the confidence of knowing you have the power you need to get the job done. Get into the Silverado 2500 HD.